Is your Android phone running low on storage? Unwanted apps can take up valuable space. In this video, we'll show you quick and easy ways to delete apps on your Android phone or tablet to free up storage and boost performance. Let's get started. Part 1. How to delete apps on Android phone or tablet from computer. Well, how do I uninstall an app from a larger screen with simple taps? Can I remove all that I don't want on my phone? Give Mobikin Assistant for Android a shot, and you'll find the thrill of controlling your Android phone remotely. Step 1. Start the program. Have the software installed after the free download. Run it and connect your Android phone or tablet to the computer with the USB cable. Next, follow the on-screen prompt to let the tool recognize your phone. Step 2. Enter the app managing screen. Once the recognition is successful, the program will categorize all your Android data types on its screen. Here, click Apps from the left panel and choose User Apps to reveal all Android applications. Step 3. Uninstall apps on Android Preview and choose any number of apps you want to remove from your phone. Finally, tap on Uninstall on the top menu bar to uninstall them instantly. Part 2. How to delete apps on Android phone from settings. Open your Android settings. Click Apps or Apps and Notifications. Choose See All Apps. Locate the app you wish to delete and select it. Tap on Uninstall and touch OK to speed up your phone. Part 3. How to delete apps on Android device via home screen or app drawer. Press and hold onto an app in the home screen or the app drawer. Drag it to the uninstall section that turns up on the screen. Press OK to delete this app. Part 4. How to delete apps in Android phone via Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon. Then Manage Apps and Device. Select Manage. Check the apps to delete and tap the trash can. Confirm by tapping Uninstall to remove updates. Part 5. How to delete apps on an Android phone or tablet via ADB. Download SDK tools. Install and connect phone. Enable USB debugging. Open command prompt in ADB folder. Type ADB shell and CD system app. Type ARM app name. APK. Type reboot. Part 6. How to delete apps in safe mode on Android. Power off your phone, then press and hold power to turn it on. Release at the Android logo, then hold volume down till safe mode starts. Go to Settings Apps, find the app, and tap Uninstall. Part 7. How to disable system apps on Android. Open Settings, Apps, find the app and tap Uninstall Updates. Go to App Permissions and disable all permissions. Then tap Disable or Force Stop.